I only remembered the vlog when I'm doing it already, but I'm currently cleaning since the reason why I'm learning and studying in community house is because our family renovated our roofs. So this is what my room has become after the renovation. It's not that messy, but needs cleaning.
You love me from the start with every beat of your heart.
Happy, ang hirap ng buhay.
Ay, Max, dapat nakaarap ako.
Oo.
Dahil ako yung kumakanta.
Tapos na.
Pero hindi ako umiinom, ha? Baka magita.
Hey! Sumurtig!
Kita yung mukha nung kumakanta.
I just finished and I look so haggard right now, but I was able to clean. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but that's the usual places of my things. Except this hammers, I'll put it back. And they sang along to karaoke while I'm cleaning, so it's fun while hearing them. Because my father and his friend is drinking, so my mom also tag along by singing. Also my brother and I just sang along here too.
Mag-join mo dun yung Diyos na malalim-malalim kay God.
These are the students we taught today, and they are going home now. Hello, I just want to tell that I have pimple here. It's itchy. I don't know why. Yeah. So, I'm doing an activity, drawing a flip book. I've already finished this part. It's not that good, but I'm finishing it. I just finished what I've been doing today. I just finished the task that I can finish today, but it's not yet completed. It's already 12:30 a.m. and midnight. This so far I've been creating. Let's create. Wait. Look at me. I look so hot there. Oily face. Hello, this is the next day. I'm so glad I'm finished with my activity. I also edited the video already since we cannot pass it face to face since we are having online classes these days, this past few weeks. Yeah, I'm so happy that I've got to finish that. The total hours I've done that is, I think, it equals to a day. Yeah, it's so hard. I chose a difficult one. Yeah, it's less than a day, but it's so complicated.
Natakot ako.
Look at this cat.
Mm.
So cute.
Mm.
It's the first baby of our cat, Mimi.
Mimi.
Ano yung first batch?
Ano yan? Ano yung first batch?
Those are the second batch
Doon
of
siya inano yung ano niya.
litters or
Kaya parang kumain lang
kittens.
siya, oh. Nahulog
The
si
first
Black and White
batch
doon.
got miscarriage. Came back here in community house to to water my plants. It's been 2 days. I forgot to water them, so I'll water them now. Did someone water them already? Oops, sorry. I hope it's not too much. I think someone is watering them. I don't know. But their soil is kind of darker. I hope I'm not drowning them. I think that's too much. They're looking quite healthy to me. This is the biggest of them all. This is the second biggest. The third, fourth, and the fifth. It's kind of weird. Why is not focusing? Has some weird shape. Maybe because they are tangled all together at first, and I just unbind them. That's why. Look, I need to plant more trees. It's so hot. This polo shirt is what I wore before, but it's not smelly, so I just hang it somewhere in my room and I use it today. I watched the cat poop in front of me. I forgot the video. This is the aftermath. This is what our roof looks like now. I can see because I'm scared. But they're still doing something. Look at those trees. I'm asking my mother to hold me. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Hi guys, welcome to Anthony's vlog. We are here to destroy his vlog. What can you say about Anthony? Anthony is not kind. Pero generous siya minsan. Di ko nakikita minsan siya. Parang di ko siya feel.
Davao, ayong gumastos
Tapos-
kaya kung saan sila mag-stay. Pwede mo mag-stay kay Kuya Marco.
Di ko din alam. What can you say about Anthony?
Anthony is very, very insensitive. Anthony is actually a person that you will never expect to have.
Hi guys, welcome to Anthony's vlog. Oh, Anthony.
Anthony, video ka nga. Ano nga sila yung happy birthday?
Ay, ayan daw. Ano to? Ang tawag dito? Behind the scene.
Happy birthday, Tito Vince!
Tito
Happy birthday, Tito Vince! I hope we can see Tyrone soon! Video happy birthday, Tito Vince!
Happy birthday, Tito Vince.
Happy birthday, Tito Vince! Alagaan si Jowa!
Halagaan si Jowa. Can you say about Anthony?
You know, Anthony is very considerate. Considerate talaga ba? Anthony is very kind, very pogi. Ay, Jagya!
Monay, what can you say about What can you say about Anthony?
Tapos sabay.
What can you say about Anthony?
Ako hanggang ano lang, hanggang 12 lang.
Pangit mo. Alam mo, ikaw ang maglalabas ako sa sama ng loob ko. Tinan mo yung tinga ko. Ayan ka. Gigigil ako. What can you say about Anthony?
Anthony, yeah.
What can you say about Anthony?
Anthony is yeah. Yeah. Good.
Alam mo, Korean. Anthony is yeah. Korean, no?
Great.
Ako.
Hindi buhay tapos te.
Kumain na kayo! Lagi niyo naman pinupulong si Anthony. Uy, nonchalant! Dito ka, nonchalant!
Naglibre sila at ito si Anthony. Kung makita mo si Anthony.
Nonchalant!
Ate, uwi ka, hindi ko
What if pinag-vlog ko to? Waterproof ba to?
Ever ka, no?
Pagkikay mo na yung marami ako ng
After the prayer, now they are ranting stories.
Bago siya mag-birthday.
Birthday ko. 40?
Ito si Bidyo. Hindi mo man alam binibidyo ka niya pala. Suwan kita niya. Gusto ko yun.
So we're in the calm house now. We just finished eating the makdo. And we are laughing going home because Monay made a bad joke. And she hit me. Look. Look at the purple. But it cannot be seen. Look, it hurts. It's tingling.
Imaginary jowa.
No, this is vlog. No.
Hoy, hindi ako na-reply ni Froylan.
She made a joke. We talk about brunch and she said, break and lunch. She's so funny. She just omit the past, but so funny. She's so dumb. Just kidding. So we're going home now.
Oh, ay, nag-work.
So this is the one who hit my fingernail. You're so cute.
Bye.
Hello, so I'm doing coding and I'm doing my tasks in this group, and I'm using my tablet to run it since this is an Android app made from and Android Studio. So I opened my door and my window since it's hot, but it's not that hot really. But now I'll go to community house to check on my plants. Yesterday I forgot to take a video because I planted a bunch of new seeds and I'm hoping they will grow and sprout. So I'm here at community house to water my plants. Here's their status. They're growing well, except this one. Why it's not zooming in? Can't I zoom in? Guess not. These are the seedlings where I planted. I'm planting them. Oh, they're not drowning. I don't know. This is the best. It's the biggest. So I watered them already and now I'm going home. The weather is so nice.
I-video na lang. So, abang magpaya. Nagpatili niya laki wa. Ini Juni biasa tu. Umet ula di dejen susu tayo naman to naliwa. Ayan umet mo. Utang mo karela.
Inalat man yung bracket. Lumipat na naman. Magaling si Brownie.
Ilan talaga higita mong dara golden eh. Dahil ay masela ni Mimi si Blackie. Ayan, nakita ko siya. Parang tinain niya banda doon sa sulo. Kasama malatip. Wow, kasama yung pilunan. Tapos siya pa yung narinig kong nagnya. Nakaboses ni Mimi. Kaya, ay,
So it's been an hour since I started my task. So after watering my saplings, I talked with the Varroa siblings about my solicitation and stuff. It was fun. Yeah. And it was nice from time to time to talk like that. And we were able to talk about their relatives and my grandparents too.
to. Wala mo doon kay Baluban. Naniwari to, ano. Yatang church da ako kay JDM, ako magkailaking.
So I saw these ants besides my water cup, and I think they're stocking up their water, so I gave them some here besides my cup so they can bring it home. I don't know where they're home. Yeah. Chicken.
Nakari niya nini?
Laki mo ni orange.
Nakari niya nini?
It is this cultivated power that allows me to save those who are in